Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anol, and today I wanna tell you how to get rid of the pimples, black spots. You have to mix this yellow yolk. You put a Vaseline. This is our yellow yolk. You get a Vaseline, sea blue Vaseline. Then you get 1 spoon. This is our Vaseline. We have to mix it here in the yellow yolk. After mixing it, you apply in your face. Now we started to mix Vaseline into the yellow yolk. You mix it very nice so that if it is mixed together, you will get the nice one. You mix it into the Vaseline. You see now it is ready, mixed, very nice. It is mixed. Just you get a bowl and you start mixing it like this. After I will do guys, this is my yellow yolk and the Vaseline. I have already mixed it very nice. I will be using it in my face. I'm gonna be applying it into my face, very nice. You can use a brush. If you have a brush, you can use the brush. If you don't have, you can use your hands. Let's go. But you make the hands are very clean like mine, no dirty, nothing you have already touched. You wait it until it dries. If it dries, then you wash with, you get a face towel and hot water. You put your face towel into the hot water, then you remove it very nice. You can get your own bowl, because my bowl, the one I'm using, it is only for me, not for anything, just for my face. That's why I'm using it. This is how it will be. You apply it very nice, like let me get raw. I have to remove these black spots which I have been having it. Then I said, let me just give you this information. Guys, thanks for subscribing. This is how it looks. Now I'm done to apply it. Yes, we have to wait. No natural beauty products. This is the natural ingredients, like the egg yolk and the Vaseline. This is the Vaseline you have to use, guys. This is the Vaseline blue sea whatever, this one. If you get the Vaseline with this, you can use this one, and you will be getting nice results. And don't think that you have to apply it like one day and you get the results. You have to keep on applying. Like you have to apply it, like today is Sunday, you can say that I can apply it from Monday. You apply from Monday, then 2 times in the week. Monday you apply it, next it can be Thursday if you want, or Wednesday, then you wait until Monday. You do like that. That's how you apply. Now you see guys, it started to dry. You see these parts here, it starts to dry, and I have to wait until it dries. But don't say that it did not work, but you have to keep on pushing. Push for everything. Don't say that one day I'm going to get the results. You will not get the results for one day. You have to be, if you say that I apply it for like a month, I can say, oh. But for sensitive skin, you can use the white yolk, not the yellow yolk. For normal skin, you can use the yellow yolk for the eggs. You can use normal skin, use the yellow yolk. Sensitive skin, use the white water. You mix the white water with Vaseline. You put small. Let's go. You see guys, I have black spots, black spots. You see guys, I have black spots. This one helps to remove these black spots. I have been applying it, but will be with the face towel to remove it very nice. You can take like 15 minutes. You can dance for yourself, you can sing for yourself. Take 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Then after you get water, the hot one, I'm gonna show you. I will be showing you how to do it. Now I have already get my hot water. I soak my face towel, then I will be removing this. You understand? Let's start. Now I'm done. Thank you for watching. If you are new here on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumb. Don't forget to comment. And I drop down the video Sunday and Wednesday. I think 2 times in the week. I can drop Monday and Wednesday. That is how I do my stuff. And thanks guys. Now you see, you can, after removing, you can apply small Vaseline. Like you get the small Vaseline, you put in the hand, then you apply it to get the small. But guys, I was been having pimples. You see my black spots, now it is going. You see, every weekend I have to drop a video for natural skins for everyone to use. Thank you for watching. Thanks for everything. I love you all.